World Population Day, July 11. Turn our population into power. India, as the most populous nation on Earth, stands at a pivotal moment. It is home to over 1.4 billion dreams, talents, and stories. Stop seeing population as a pressure. Start seeing it as potential. India's youth is its biggest asset. Over 50% of our population is under the age of 25. Each number is a person. Each person is a possibility. Imagine the innovation, the energy, the transformation we can achieve if we invest in them today. World Population Day is not about numbers alone, it's about balance, dignity, and choice. Let's not be afraid of our numbers. Let's prepare for them, let's harness them, let's turn population into progress. Akums is doing its part by providing jobs, helping create a sustainable environment, and training the youth with essential skills. We believe in people, we understand their potential, and we are empowering them for sustainable livelihoods. India's strength lies in its people. Let's empower everyone. With over 1.4 billion people, we carry the weight and the promise of a billion dreams, innovations, and possibilities. Because when India invests in its people, the world witnesses transformation. This July 11th, let's pledge to turn our population into our power. Let's shape a future where every Indian not only survives, but thrives.